Hey guys, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Man. In last week, I posted a video talking about Linux system for BMW. Some friends want to know what is the difference between Android screen and the Linux system. Today, I will show you the details. Now, let's go. This is the Android screen. This is the Linux screen. Here. Now, I want to show you what is the difference between these two models. This model is 12.3 inch. For the 5 series, F10, F11, for the car with NBT system here. You can check our website. It has different car models. Now, the first difference I want to show you is the booting time. Now I power off the screen first. Okay, they are power off. Now I want to power again. Then you can watch the booting time for these two models. I press the same time. Okay. Here, it's just few seconds, right? 3 to 5 seconds booting time. But this model, it needs about 15 seconds to 20 seconds for the booting time. Okay? That's fine now. Because the Android system is very big system, it integrates a lot of functions inside. So the software is very big. That's why it needs very long time to boot out. Okay, this is the first difference. In fact, the biggest difference is the Android screen allows to download and install a lot of apps, but the Linux system is not allowed to download and install apps. For example, in the Android system, you can download the Google Maps like this one. Also can download the Icon Maps, Waze, Cytric Maps, different kind of maps here, and install to the Android system. But the Linux system, it don't allow to do that. Also, other apps like video apps, Netflix, YouTube video here, or music apps, Spotify, others. A lot of apps allow to download and install to the Android screen. But this model don't allow to do that. It just only few functions: CarPlay, Android Auto, mirror link, Bluetooth, USB. That's all. Because it just only few functions, so the software is very small, so it can run very fast. Okay, this is the second difference. Also the biggest difference. The third difference is the Android screen can connect to internet, but the Linux screen cannot connect to the internet. The Android screen built-in Wi-Fi here, so that's very easy to connect the Wi-Fi here. You can connect to a Wi-Fi to your home. Then you can visit the internet here. But the Linux system not allowed to do that. Here, it just connects to the internet. Here in the setting, it also have a Wi-Fi here. But this Wi-Fi just only enable you to connect the CarPlay. It's not allowed to connect the home Wi-Fi, right? There is difference. There are difference. Also it shows Wi-Fi, but that's not the one like this here. Okay, and this model integrate the 4G LTE. 4G LTE, that is allow you to buy a SIM card and insert to the slot here, and you can visit the internet with the 4G LTE. But this model don't have it. The number 4 I want to show you is that in the Android screen, in the ID8 or ID7, it have a dashboard like this. I think that's very nice. It shows the oil level, speed here, seatbelt fasten here. But this model, the Linux screen don't have this menu. Another difference is the Android screen. It have the weather here. It can show the weather for your city here. But the Linux system, it don't have these functions here. Okay. Also, this model, it have 3 colors like this. You can choose different here. Here, different skins here. But this model don't have these features. Another difference is the Android screen support here aftermarket HD camera. It support HD 1018 pixel here. Here, it support like this. But in the Linux system, it just support like this. Here, HD 720 pixel here. There is a big difference on this. Another feature is the Android system here. It supports split screen. Like this. Here is the navigation, and this the video. It can split the screen, but the Linux screen, it don't have these functions. If you like our model, you can go to our website here. The Linux system here. It have different models like this. The Android screen is here. Thank you very much.